In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an Axiom Pro account. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to the official Axiom.trade website, and then it should look something like this. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to the top right and select over here where it says sign up in order to create an account. From here, go ahead and use the email address that you want to go ahead and use. Once you inputted the email, go ahead and press on sign up, but you guys can go ahead and even make an account using your Gmail account or even your Phantom wallet as well. But for this video, I'm going to be using an email right over here, and now it is going to go ahead and send a verification code. So let me go ahead and just put in the verification code right here. And from here, you need to go ahead and create a password for your wallet. So I'm going to go ahead and make one really quickly. All right, so once you went ahead and made a strong password, it is now going to take you to a page that does look like this. So now it is actually going to show you your recovery key. This recovery key will allow you to access your wallet if you ever lose your credentials to your Axiom account. Now, be very careful with this. Make sure that you memorize it, and most importantly, make sure that you do not share it to anybody. This here is precious information, and if someone asks you for your recovery key, then that means they are trying to steal your crypto. So once you're aware of that, go ahead and press on reveal my key, and now it is going to go ahead and show your recovery key. So I recommend that you guys write your recovery key down on a piece of paper. I recommend that you have multiple copies of it, and I recommend that you save it in a safe location. But once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on continue. From here, you guys can go ahead and begin depositing Solana in order to actually start doing trades and stuff like that. So if you do have Solana on like Phantom wallet, for an example, then all you need to do is you need to either scan this QR code or use this address right over here in order to send some Solana on to Axiom. And then we can go ahead and start doing trades. We can go ahead and buy cryptocurrency, sell, all that good stuff. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.